How to apply Gellex using the signature Gellex kit. The new Gellex kit has everything you need to start your Gellex journey, including a nice acrylic tray to keep your station organized. At the top, you've got room for your prep bottles and Extend Gel. And right below, handy little slots to keep your pre-sized Gellex tips organized, so you'll never lose track or have to size them all over again. Gently cut, file, and shape the natural nail. Buff the natural nail to remove shine and dead tissue. Apply pH bonder to dehydrate the nail and remove any oils or residue that prevent good retention. Apply a thin layer of Extend Gel non-wipe onto the natural nail to help with adhesion. Each bottle comes with our revolutionary Brush X, made from PBT fibers. This densely compacted brush allows for better control and precision when applying product. Cure for 30 seconds under LED light. Next, taking the Gellex prep, etch the underside of the Gellex tip by scrubbing until tacky and the hexagon logo disappears. Apply a bead of Extend Gel non-wipe onto the underside of the Gellex tip. Apply the Gellex tip at a 45-degree angle and gently press until the Extend Gel non-wipe flows down to the natural nail free edge. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds with the Omni Light, pressing firmly to prevent bubbles or shifting. With the Omni Light, you can flash cure however is most comfortable for you. Use it as a handheld light for maximum mobility, or use it as a hands-free light for maximum ease. After all 5 fingers are done, fully cure for 30 seconds under LED light. And voila! Now you're ready to move into color application or nail art. Don't forget to top it off with top gel coat.